always loved that song. And like he said, it has this, even though it's not a sad song. Parang it has this melancholy, parang quality that parang mas nakakadala, parang nakakatouch. I couldn't turn my back on straight. Oh, no. You're not me.
It's a challenge to sing this song. You know why? Because it's been sung by so many people. The challenge is for it to sound new, but not to overkill the song, because it's the type of song that you don't...
It's already beautiful.
You don't over-exaggerate your interpretation, so it has to come as suave as... So that was a challenge.
And I promise you
I'll never say goodbye. Dahil lagi na ako makakanta sa mga simbahan, wedding. Ito lagi yung pinapakanta sa akin. So, kumbaga, the promise is always, parang staple niya ng a wedding.
Yes. Kasi nga, the
Hindi
promise...
naman patay, no?
No, the promise nga, ang kasal. And if I never leave your I really would have tried
I'm just so happy that we have a new duet together, and it's part of a very big film.
Yes.
Via, of course, starring Richard and Angel. And promise you
I'll never You'll fall in love. When you watch the movie and when you hear the song, kasama yun doon, I'm sure you'll fall in love with it.
Oh, I'm sure I will. I mean, they will.
So don't forget to watch the movie, The Prom.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.